today's video, you will see many varieties of house plants which are my favorite and also trending, famous among every garden because these plants are low maintenance house plants and also permanent. So let's jump into the video without wasting time, and also you're welcome to Thamara's garden. I'm Thamara, the gardener who loves stepping out in the garden every time that whenever I find a leisure time. This is my hobby and my passion, and I'm not an expert though. I also do gardening as a loving leisure time work. So let's get into the video. Bamboo plants, one of my favorite plants which is trending among every gardener and very famous. This is very easy to grow from stems and also low maintenance and permanent. You can grow them with or without fertilizer. With time these plants grow tall and you can multiply them easily by stem cuttings. Palm plants, and this is Erica palm, very easy to grow, low maintenance. Only thing is they need ample space to grow. If you have put it in pots, see that they are large or enough to grow. These plants produce baby plants, and once they produce baby plants you can multiply them and put them in different planters. Make sure to put them in big and ample spacey planters. Next, one of my favorite plants are these beautiful variegated plants of these pandanus plants, because the plants can be easily grown because they doesn't mind about tolerating the sun as well. In any weather condition you can grow these beautiful plants. So these are house plants as well. You can keep them in any corner in your garden because they can be tolerated by sun, and also you can keep them as house plants. This is another trending house plant, and most of the time when people love keeping colorful leafy plants, they take pandanus plants from nurseries. Next, one of my favorite plants are these beautiful syngonium plants. They are also easy to grow and low maintenance and permanent. You can support them with a moss stick. Now you can see how healthily growing this plant is, and also this is a plant that can be grown without fertilizer as well. Other trending plants are these beautiful house plants, money pothos plants. There are many varieties. This is enjoy pothos, marble queen pothos, neon pothos, and there's golden pothos as well. So this is a wonderful plant for a gardener who doesn't have much time. Wonderful leafy plant. Prayer plant which loves the shade if you have put them outdoors in the garden, and also this is one of the beautiful indoor plant and also one of the trending plants, very easy to grow and low maintenance. White plant, one of the beautiful leafy plants. If you are a person who loves different types of leaves, then this plant is for you. Arelia plants, there are many varieties which I love keeping. Their leaves pattern also very beautiful and elegant looking. This is another variety of Arelia. So keeping them indoors will make your place very beautiful and attractive. Trending house plant are these beautiful aloe vera plants, and I love them because they are very beneficial of keeping. This is rubber plant, one of the huge leafy plants, and adore your garden, looking so attractive as well. Rosina varieties. Here I have another one. So these plants are very attractive and elegant plants, ideal house plants and also outdoor plants as well. Money pothos, another variety. They are very beautiful and very easy to maintain. Zizi plant, another trending house plant, low maintenance and permanent, easy to grow with a single leaf or a stem cutting. Snake plant, Sansevieria, another beautiful trending plant. Every gardener has this plant, and this is a beautiful and wonderful way to air purify. So this works as air purifier once you keep it indoors.